Understanding the phrase, "I'm blown away," a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Specifically, we're going to explore the phrase, "I'm blown away." This is a common phrase in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enrich your language skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, "I'm blown away," is an idiomatic expression in English. It is used to express a strong feeling of surprise or being extremely impressed by something. It's like saying that something is so amazing or unexpected that it could blow you away, metaphorically. This phrase is often used in positive contexts, to express admiration or pleasant surprise. Understanding the origins of phrases can often help us remember their meanings better. The phrase, "I'm blown away," likely comes from the imagery of being physically blown away by a strong wind, something powerful and unexpected. In our context, it's not a literal wind but the figurative wind of surprise or admiration. Let's look at how "I'm blown away" is used in everyday conversations. 1. After a performance, "I'm blown away by your singing. It was incredible." 2. Receiving a gift. "Wow, I'm totally blown away by this thoughtful present." 3. Experiencing something new. "I visited the new art museum and was absolutely blown away by the artwork." Do use it to express positive surprise or admiration. Don't use it in a negative or sarcastic way. It's generally a positive phrase. Do feel free to use it in informal settings like with friends or in casual conversations. Don't use it in very formal or serious contexts. It's a bit too casual for that. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, "I'm blown away," confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one can add color and authenticity to your language skills. Happy learning, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next video.